In this video, I will show you the complete Alipay account setup. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to completely set up your Alipay account for foreign user. Let me show you how. The very first thing, for everyone using Android phone, just make sure you go to your Play Store. Click on Play Store on your Android phone. For everyone using iPhone, just go to your App Store on your iPhone. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search icon right here. And the next thing you want to do is to click on search apps and game and type in Alipay. Just like so. And make sure you hit on search.
And it will take you straight to Google Play Store. Then when it opens up this way, click on install. Install. So alright, so after you are able to install the Alipay, the next thing you have to do is to click on open right here. You click on open. Then when you click on open, this is going to pump up. So the next step you have to take, just click on this blue right here. Just click on here to continue the installation. So Alipay is going to ask you to make call and manage your phone call. Just click on allow. So with that, at this point here, this is where you need to enter your phone number right here. Here you change your country code, okay? So here you have to select your country code from this point. So I'm going to do that one first. So from this point here, this is where you need to select your country. When you select your country, the code will be automatically update. So I'm looking for my country. So every country actually represents right here. Just look for your country. So here we go. This is my country right here, and this is the country code. Once you select your country, it's going to update. So I'm going to select my country. You can see it right here that the code has changed. Now, when you select your country code, you have to enter the mobile number at this point here. So when you select your country code, you need to know how you set up your normal number. So you have to enter your phone number. Okay, so when you after having entered your mobile number in a proper way, you have to click on next. Alright, so Alipay is going to send a 4 verification code to the particular phone number you enter to complete your registration. So let's take a look at the code. So here is the code 1156. So I'm going to enter it straight up. 1156. Then at this point here, you need to click on agree. Sorry for the interruption. Click on agree. So you just have to wait for the setup to complete. Alright, so if you have something like this, all you have to do is to click on enter international version of Alipay, because that is what you need as a foreign user. So just click on enter international version of Alipay. Click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to prepare logging into the international version of Alipay. So let's see. So after you are able to access the Alipay, you can decide to choose allow Alipay to know your location, just click on next, or you close the tab. So in this case, I'm going to click on next. So if you want Alipay to access your location, you can click on next, and you'll be able to have full access to Alipay. So allow Alipay to access this location, click on allow. So there is nothing special as far as Alipay access your location as far as this is concerned. So this is how you download, install, and set up your Alipay account without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done easily. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.